Hello everybody, this is Mike Dietrich speaking, and this is the third and the final part of the series for upgrade to Oracle Database 1830 on premises. Today we do the post-upgrade steps and the time zone check. So you see that my upgrade took 30 minutes, roughly. And let us have a quick look at the logs first. So the most important one for the start is the upgrade summary log. And the upgrade summary log, it's a very short log, but we find the overview on each components, how long it has taken to upgrade, and the current status. The status is important because right now most components aren't upgraded because we haven't recompiled yet. If you have an error, that may be visible in here as well, and then you should check registry $error. You see also the final actions, which is mainly statistics creation. And as I said, upgrade took 30 minutes. Now let's have also a look on the main upgrade log file, the cut upgrade 0 log. So 0 is the main driver. And I scroll up a bit first. So you see that in here, there's also the same information as in the upgrade summary log. Then we go up a bit in that file and you see at the end the data patch changes had been applied to the database for the OJVM release update and for the database RU, the release upgrade 1830. That's all in because we shipped that with 1810. We go up again further, and now you see all the phases and how long each phase has taken, and if there are special calls, you see it as well. So this information you saw on the screen before is not lost. It's always in the cut upgrade 0 log. And if we go up and up, you see now the phases, and for each phase we specify clearly which script had run in that phase. So you see the restart phases when we kick away the background processes, and I go up to a phase which took a bit longer before, that was phase 42. So in phase 42, this is meta information and data pump stuff, so that took a bit. So you find all the necessary information and in this case 4 logs for the 4 upgrade drivers. Next step will be the recompilation. So I have to start up my database now in regular mode, no upgrade mode anymore. And at first I recompile now the invalid objects. This is done with utlrp.sql. And utlrp gives you also some queries. So I open an Xterm here and scroll up a bit, and I take the first query here, and this gives us the number of objects which need compilation right now. So it's 4,500 and a bit. And the second query tells you how many objects have been compiled already. So I'll take this one here, and see over 1,000 have been compiled. Now let's repeat the first query several times to see that the number is decreasing, which is expected and should be the case. And at some point when the recompilation has been finished, so I run this again, so you see the number is really decreasing. And at some point when the recompilation had been finished, we check finally there is no objects with errors and also no errors during recompilation. This is good. And then it's time for the post-upgrade step. So I go back to my log file from the very beginning, and there's this section after upgrade. And after upgrade, I see there's no required actions, but there's recommended actions. And the first recommended action is the time zone change, because my time zone is right now version 14 and it can be upgraded to 31. Then the auto fix-up for giving dictionary stats after the upgrade is there. What you could do afterwards, after a while, is gather fixed object stats again. So I will pick first here the Oracle generated fix-up script for after the upgrade. That's why it's called postupgrade.fixups. Go back to MySQL Plus and run this here. So this does mainly after upgrade statistics configuration. And the final step I will do here is the time zone thing, because I haven't done that yet. And as I said before, post fixed objects, that's something you should do a week or so after the upgrade, but not directly, when the $X views have really warmed up. So let me check in the log file. So what does it tell me? It says, okay, 14 to 31, but it doesn't really tell me what to do. So I would like to show you what you should do. So let me exit SQL Plus and go to my RDBMS admin directory. Because in RDBMS admin, we ship now scripts which start with utlrp for time zone. And the two main scripts are these here I marked. The first is the check script, which checks how much time zone data you have, and the second is the apply script. So let us execute the check script first. And the check script tells me, okay, I can move forward, and there is actually no issues. So it hasn't done yet. Next step is the apply script. And important, no known issues detected, so all is good. Let's go forward with the apply script now, and to upgrade to the newest version 31, which is the one which is stored in Oracle Home Oracle Zone Info directory. So I kick in the apply script, and this now restarts the database twice. So first in upgrade mode, and then it changes the dictionary. So in the dictionary we use time zone data. And then it restarts the database in regular mode and changes your application data. So even though at this step you could work already, I would say it's more or less a downtime if you have really time zone data, because your application data may be affected. What you should do in this point, after the upgrade is finished successfully to 31, you should exit SQL Plus and start a new SQL Plus, which I will do here. And all is good, the upgrade is completed. The final check I do is now I check the patch situation. So I go to the upgrade blog to mike-de.com, and there's this check patches 18.sql. There's also one for 12.1 and 12.2 databases. So I'll download this to my environment here and execute it from within my database, because I want to see if the RU, the 1830, and the OJVM 1830 really have been applied successfully and correctly. So I check this, and yes, both is applied. Success. Otherwise I would see an error here, and all is good. So this was the complete upgrade on the command line. Thanks for your attention, thanks for listening, and have a great day. Bye bye.